Gold against US dollar this week has risen in value. We can see that the price has formed this bearish candle on a Monday, then formed a decision candle, and then on a Thursday the price has formed this area, or has formed this bullish breakout above this area 2618.75, and this was indication as the potential the price will continue to rise in value. We can see that this bullish breakout has been confirmed with the next day candle, where the price did not go below this support, which means this area of resistance has been broken, now acting as a support. Weekly time frame shows me indecision candle after the price has formed this bearish candle in the previous week. This indecision candle is some kind of a fight between the buyers and the sellers, and that's normal in this week when the holidays are. And we can see that the month, where we have 2 more days next week, will probably end as a bearish candle. So what I'm expecting, well, based on this one, what I can see on the monthly time frame, if it stays like this, the target will be 2550.00 in the next month. Weekly time frame shows me also there is a high probability that the price will continue to fall down in value, reaching the first end area 2577 and 2564 before reaching 2550. Now the daily shows me a bullish breakout which has been validated, which means the price could continue to rise in value around 2653.45. Will that happen? The price will reach this area of resistance and then fall down in value, reaching 2550.00. There's something that I will watch daily, because I have us on the 4-hour time frame and the 4-hour time frame different support and resistance levels that are first step indication where the price will go after the price forms bullish or bearish breakout. Now the daily shows me that there is a probability of the continuation to the rise in value, reaching this area of resistance here. Then we'll see how will the price manage to go up, or it will return back down, forming a bearish breakout below 2618.75, where 2586 will be the next support level. Now 4-hour time frame shows me currently a bullish breakout indicating further rise in value around 2634.86 is the next resistance level, that is the target. And then we'll see how the price behaves around this area, where we can see in the last week the price is bouncing between these two price levels. So this is something where we need to see the price going outside in order to continue to rise in value or lose its value. So in the long term, 255, here it is, 2550 is the next target on the weekly and the monthly time frame, but the daily currently shows me small bullish momentum. We will see on a Monday how the price behaves, because it will be also indication how the traders will position themselves in the next week. So if there is a bullish or bearish breakout here, we can see that on the 4-hour time frame or 1-hour time frame. I will share that inside the premium analysis with the traders, so they are informed every day how the price behaves and also what is the target. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.